there, ready to crush those doubts and unlock your true potential? Well, get ready for a mind-blowing journey. As the legendary Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson once said, success comes from putting in the focus and effort. And guess what? You control both. Picture this. Self-doubt is that annoying little voice that says, "Nah, you can't do it." But here's the truth. You have the power to prove it wrong. It's time to rock and roll. Take a page from the book of self-help guru Louise Hay, who said, "You have the power to heal your life, and you need to know that." Kick self-doubt to the curb by replacing negative thoughts with positive affirmations, setting achievable goals, and surrounding yourself with supportive peeps who've got your back. Let's get practical. Time to unleash your inner cheerleader. Whenever self-doubt tries to bring you down, create your own personal cheerleading routine. Stand in front of a mirror, put on a big smile, and start cheering yourself on with positive affirmations and uplifting chants. Get creative and come up with catchy cheers like, "I'm strong, I'm brave, I've got what it takes." It may sound silly, but studies show that using self-affirmations and positive self-talk can significantly boost confidence and combat self-doubt. So grab those pom-poms and cheer yourself to victory. Get pumped. As Les Brown, the ultimate motivation machine, once shouted, "You're never too old to set another goal or dream a new dream." So kick self-doubt out the door, my friend. You've got the power to unleash your greatness and live the extraordinary life you deserve.